LG Energy Solutions and Hyundai team up for battery plant in the United States. LG Energy Solutions (LGES) and Hyundai have formed a joint venture, in which each company holds a 50% stake, for a battery cell manufacturing plant located in Bryan County, Savannah, Georgia. The businesses plan to invest over $4.3 billion in the battery facility. This will allow Hyundai to expedite its electrification efforts in North America and have its electric vehicles qualify for the Inflation Reduction Act's $7,500 tax credit. Construction is scheduled to begin in the second half of 2023 and production of cells is planned to start by the end of 2025. The battery plant will have a yearly capacity of 30 GWh, enough to support the production of 300,000 electric vehicles annually. Battery packs obtained from the cells will be assembled by Hyundai Mobis and then sent to North American factories and assembled into electric vehicles from Hyundai, Kia and Genesis. Hyundai Motor Company President and CEO, Jae-hoon Chong, commented that the company is designing a solid foundation to lead the global EV transition through the establishment of the battery plant with LGES, a world-renowned battery producer. The automaker company wants to be one of the top 3 global automakers by 2030. And to accomplish this, it has decided to invest $18.1 billion into electric vehicle production. Additionally, Hyundai intends to launch 31 EV models from its different brands throughout numerous major markets and increase EV production rate to 3,640,000 globally by 2030. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at teslaupdate.